What's the meaning of amity? Amity. 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 Amity.
Amity means a friendly and peaceful relationship between people or nations. It is often used to describe a state of mutual goodwill and cooperation. This term is commonly used in the context of international relations, where it is considered a desirable outcome that can promote stability and prosperity. Amity can also refer to the absence of hostility or animosity, indicating a sense of harmony and understanding. Overall, amity conveys a positive and optimistic attitude towards social interactions and highlights the value of friendship and respect towards others.